Something in the fleet has to go. Won't be these two. That leaves something else. What's up, Moat? Oh, you got the other wheels on there. Almost there. No grill. Let's get the back tires on. Gosh.
Howdy.
There's the factory body kit right there. And he's stripping this thing down. Took out the clear tails. So in typical Ghost Trucker Garage fashion, the battery's dead on the E55. We had to borrow the battery from the SS to start this car to get it up on that trailer. Ridiculous. Well, I got mixed emotions about this. Sorry to see it go, but also glad to see it go. So what really sucks is we can't get this wheel off. That wheel's gonna have to go with the car. We've already broken a bunch of stuff trying to get it off of here. And now Emmanuel's about to try to start this thing. We're about to hear something terrible.
I'm just gonna barely latch it.
Yeah. Sitting there a while. It's amazing that it started up, but it's been sitting there for like 2 years. Oh, there's my driveway. Just got to get it up on the trailer. Manny, before you even try it, do you think it's going to teeter-tot because it's so low?
You have a wood block at all?
Yeah, I think we should put a couple wood blocks. Hold on. Car does not want to be taken to the junkyard. It's actually running decent.
Good.
Straight. Wait. I think you're hitting something that's going to push the trailer. Go. Stop, you're on.
More?
A little more? Stop. Don't know how you're getting out. Gotta Duke boy it. Come on, Duke boy.
It's hot too. Oh my god. There's a spider in it.
Uh-oh.
I didn't know what kind of spider that is.
Dude, the thing that's killing me is this AMG wheel that we gotta poke with. You guys remember that video from 5-6 years ago when we found these AMG wheels at the junkyard? Specifically for an S-Class, but it's not a perfect wheel, but it's in decent shape. Now it's going to the scrapyard. The E500 had to leave one last mark. Man, I may as well hit it with the 5 fingers of death. Okay. Say goodbye. Well, here's where it'll be. Its final resting place. Oh, man. Low. Listen to how quiet it is all of a sudden, Manny. Huh? Not one rod knock. Pulled in under its own power. Yes, we got one stud off the wheel.
You want me to cut it now? Yeah, leave it right here. Take that cut it right off.
So that's the end of the E500. It'll be here at, what is this place? Whatever I showed you before. If you need it. The motor seems to be running fine now, but Manny's got too many projects. Time to part ways. He's already looking at this thing. The guy said, give me a couple hundred for it. I'm like, what? Prelude with an H series stick shift bar. I'd give him a couple hundred for it. My wife would kill me, but
This car is very rare. It's worth a lot of money. I'm a Honda guy, so
H series?
you give me a deal on it, I'll give it to you right now. I'm getting rid of cars, bro. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's it. The E500 is officially gone. Man, I'm saddened. Used to love coming out here to see that thing slammed on the driveway. Now we just have the E55 under the cover. Josh will be taking the Beamer pretty soon. SS is safe and sound. The little Rado's always hanging out. And Manny's getting ready to sort out this F-150 and then give it away. I gotta tell you, it's depressing getting rid of cars. If you're a car guy. We're all car guys in this family, so we get attached. Bad news is we're down a car. Good news is, man, could fit 4 more in the driveway. Here's one last look at the E500 in all its glory.
Yeah.